What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video I'm going to show you how to raise and lower the landing gear on the AEE Mach 4. Alright, so the way the AEE Mach 4 is packed in its case, it has the landing gear legs up. So right away, do not touch these landing gear and try to bring them down manually. So in the box you'll also get instructions on how to do this, but you didn't read this, that's why you're here. Let's be real. So step one, take the battery, insert it in the back of the aircraft. So I really like how when the AEE has its legs up, the battery is really easy to get in there because it kind of sits on that battery tray. So once it's in, you want to plug it in with the little connector on the side. So now that everything's plugged in, you raise the aircraft. You want to give it enough clearance on the bottom for when the legs swing down, and then you simply turn on the on switch on the back of the aircraft. And then once you've done that, you could turn it off right away. And so usually once I do that, that's when I start to unfold my arms and propellers and get the GPS standing upright. So in order to get the drone back in the case once you're done flying, you're going to have to raise those landing gear legs that we just showed you how to lower. So in order to do that, step one, you want to remove the camera. After that, I like to fold first you definitely need to fold the antennas on the arms, and then I like to fold the arms themselves because it makes it a little bit easier to move the drone around. And so now that I got everything folded, first you want to turn the aircraft to your left, which the paper refers to as the 9 o'clock position. So very simply just like this. Then we're going to turn on the aircraft using the switch in the back. And what we have to do right now is we have to let the aircraft initialize. So the way you know that it's done initializing is the rear arms, the LED is going to blink yellow. So once it's blinking yellow, you're okay to lift the legs. And the way you do that is you lift the drone up and you tilt it 30 degrees towards you. It should go up. Then you could put it down and simply power it off on the back. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the AEE Mach 4, give us a call or visit us online at www.terrestrialimaging.com.